Hello children, in today's recorder lesson, we are going to learn another tune in addition to new beat, 4 beat, which is the last beat. Let us try it. Good. Can we try it again? Hello children, welcome to another lesson. In today's recorder lesson, we are going to learn another tune. Children, are you ready? Now let us play. Good. Can we try it again? Right. See you in the next class. Hello children, to another lesson, recorder lesson. Today we are going to learn another tune. Children, are you ready? Let us go. Beautiful. Can we take it again? Okay. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.